Hey guys, Ibrahim here, and I'm here to talk to you about Minoxidil after a hair transplant. I had a hair transplant in Sydney about a month ago, and the recommendations from my clinic is to use Minoxidil after 1 month post-op, which is the stage where I'm at now, and I've been using Minoxidil for a couple of days now. Now, before I decided to use Minoxidil, I decided to do some research just for peace of mind, to make sure that it was safe for my newly transplanted hairs and grafts. And this is what I found. Alright guys, let me show you how I apply Minoxidil. And that's it. So I've been doing this for the last couple of days and will continue to do so. Twice a day, once in the morning when I brush my teeth, and after my shower in the evening. So I've got a routine set now. So I'm 1 month post-op. So for those following my journey, I'm at the ugly duckling stage, where all the hairs seem to, not all, maybe, I don't know, 70 or 80% of the hairs seem to fall out, especially when I'm in the shower. I notice quite a number of hairs every time, 10 to 20 hairs every time. So yeah, here's a video. So as you can see, there's been quite a substantial amount of hair loss or hairs falling out. I'm not too worried though, because it is the ugly duckling phase where all the hairs from the transplant, or not all, like 70-80% of the hairs would fall out, and the new hairs will be pushed through their cycle, and hopefully in the next couple of months we'll see some positive results, which I'll share with you guys. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll post another video in maybe around the 3 or 4 month mark. Laters.